Hey everyone, welcome back to Rivera Coaching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find today's video helpful. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for maintaining healthy relationships: what to do when you've messed up and your partner needs some space. We're going to break down the steps to handle these tricky situations with care and consideration. So let's get right into it. Give her space. First things first, if your partner asks for space, you need to respect that. It might feel like the end of the world right now, but giving her a breather is often the best move. This time apart isn't just beneficial for her, it's a chance for you to reflect and plan how to approach the conversation. It's normal to feel bummed out about it, but remember, everyone makes mistakes, and taking time to cool down can help you both come back to the table with a clearer mind. Look at things from her perspective. Next up, it's essential to see things from her perspective. It's easy to get defensive, but remember, people don't get mad for no reason. Step back and honestly evaluate your behavior. If you really believe you're not at fault, you have two options: explain your side calmly or let it go and apologize sincerely. Sometimes taking a walk or just stepping away for a bit can help you gain some much-needed clarity. Give a sincere apology. When it's time to apologize, make sure it's genuine. Look her in the eye, acknowledge what you did wrong, and don't try to shift the blame. If she has questions, answer them openly. If you're not talking for a while, a heartfelt written apology can also be effective. And remember, if she's upset, it's not the right time to analyze who's at fault. Focus on mending things first. Let her vent. Sometimes she might need to vent her frustrations. It might be uncomfortable, but letting her express her feelings is crucial. Your role here is to listen and support her without reacting defensively. If she's lashing out a bit, remember not to retaliate. Just letting her get it all out can be a huge step towards resolution. Make it up to her. Once things start to settle, think about how you can make it up to her. If it's a matter of forgetting something like a chore, simply do it. If it's more complex, like saying something hurtful, find a way to show her you care and that you're committed to making things right. Ask her directly what she'd appreciate as a gesture of your sincerity. Demonstrate change. Words alone aren't enough. You need to show her that you've learned from your mistakes. If you've promised to call more often or help out more, make sure you stick to it. Consistency over time will help rebuild trust and demonstrate that you're genuinely committed to improving. Make her smile. Once you've navigated through the tough stuff, lighten the mood. Do something that makes her smile, whether it's a cheesy joke or a heartfelt compliment. It's a great way to remind her of the positive aspects of your relationship. Offer a hug. When she's ready, offer a hug. Physical touch can be a powerful way to reconnect and show affection. Just make sure she's open to it. Don't force it if she's not receptive. Crack a joke. If the conflict was lighthearted, cracking a joke can help ease the tension. Just make sure it's appropriate and in good taste. Humor can be a great way to put things in the past and move forward with a smile. Review the conflict together. A few days or weeks later, if things are going well, consider reviewing the conflict together. This can help both of you understand what happened and how to handle similar situations better in the future. It's about growing together and improving your communication. Rebuild trust. If the conflict was serious and trust was shaken, rebuilding it will take time. Be patient and continue to prove that you're dedicated to making positive changes. Avoid repeating past mistakes and be transparent if she needs reassurance.